Hello there. Welcome to Philip Talks. And I am Philip. Today we're going to check out my Infinity 2009 FX35. It's showing service engine soon. And so we're going to see what kind of code it brings up. Alright, so I have an OBD scanner. It's a Think OBD 100, not sponsored. This is it. And I'm sure you guys know how to put that in, but here's the female end. Input of the male end. Under the dash, which is about here. Okay, got it. Sometimes you turn it around. All right, so you turn the car on without pushing your foot on the brake to start it. I'm not sure if you can. Hopefully you can. So I'm going to go down. It says read codes. Press it. And I got a code. One of two says P0447. And it says evaporative emission system vent control circuit open. And another code that says is that the same code? Yeah, two of the same codes. Okay. Evaporative emission systems vent control circuit open. Alright, so we gotta check that out. Let me go Google that, see what I need. So what I got was, there's two control valves on this, on your EVAP system. And one is in the rear, that's connected to your canister, your charcoal canister. And that's the vent control valve, solenoid. So I changed that out last week. I have a video on that if you want to check that out. Today I'm going to change out the one that's in the engine bay, which is the purge control valve. Okay, so I have I got the part right here. Hold on. Okay, got the part right here. I'll leave a description below, because this part can be used on many cars, and my car is one of them. And I'll show you where it goes, and we take it out and switch it out and show you how that's done. But basically I'm going to show you on this. Here's the electrical connection, and this side, the left side, as you're looking on the back side of it, where it's connected to the car, here's where it releases from the vent from the rear, releases the gases from the gas tank in here, and the car tells us to release it open, and then this has a hose going to the intake manifold, which burns off those gases so it doesn't go into the atmosphere. So my purge valve is right here. Here's the new one. Here's the old one. Here's the tube I was telling you about. This goes from the rear. This goes in. This comes from the charcoal canister. Okay, purge. That's the vent valve. Control valve. Solenoid. This is the purge, like I mentioned. Okay, we gotta take this off. So I'm gonna take this out now. These are 10 millimeter. And see how hard to take this out. Shouldn't be that difficult, right? Alright, that's loose already. Of course I dropped it, but I see where it went. This side I'm going to take off the electrical, so you push down on here and you push back, pop right off. See if I can get this in there now. Yep. It's pretty tight, this one. There we go. Let's see if I can do it by hand now. Yep. Hopefully I don't drop this one, even though I see the other one. Alright, there's one. Alright, so, oh, pulled right out. Look at that. Very cool. Alright, let me show you. See, it came right off the block here. It has two rubber grommets on here. The new one doesn't have that. I'm going to figure something out how to put those on. I got these. I know they're like electrical pliers, right? But they work pretty good when on these. So I got that one off. Let me grab the other one. The one that goes into the intake manifold. And that comes right off too. Now that was easy. So that's a good thing. So here's the inlet side. Okay, like I was mentioning before, it comes from the back of the canister, the vent solenoid, where that opens up, then it brings it to here. So this, let me pop this on, over, there you go. Okay, so that's a good one. Let me get the other side now, the other hose, which is right here. Let me grab this, put the clamps together, put the hose in here. Hope you can see this, like so. And I'm going to just push it in. Yeah. Hold. And I took the grommets off each side, like so. And I'm going to put this towards the motor, and like a big washer in between here, because these screws way too long. It's made to have that in there. No problem though. Can rectify this. Yeah, now it looks good. I'll show you once I get this in here. Let me hold this down flat more. Yep, I think I got it. Cool. Alright, let me show you. Okay, this is what I had to do. So yeah, put the grommets here, where the motor is. Here's the motor. Here's where the screws go in, so I just put them here as a like a big washer. It works. Alright, so I got that in. I'm tightening this down now. Yep, you just have to do it snug. You don't have to kill it. Now let me get my electrical connection right here. Alright, we're going to plug that in. Boom. Now, I'm going to show you something here. I'm going to take off this hose, the inlet hose again. I'm going to show you how to test, see if yours is bad or good. Alright, on your car. The way to check this has a vacuum to it when it works. When it doesn't work, you won't feel the vacuum. Okay, on this inlet hose right here, hopefully you can see that. I'll put a little light on it. I don't know if you can see it better, but here's the inlet. Now I'm going to start the motor, and it takes about 5 minutes for it to warm up. Okay, so I started the motor. Yeah, it's not sucking yet. We're going to give it like 5 minutes. Alright, so it's about 10 minutes. It definitely has suction now. So I guess this one's working. So that's a good thing. So let me clear the codes. And hopefully that will do it. Let me put the hose back on. That will do it. Alright, back in the car. As you can see, the engine service light is still on there. Surface engine soon light. Just remember, when you have that come on, sometimes it's, you know, it's a reminder saying, yeah, you gotta change your oil, change your air filter, but always check to see if there's a code in there. And with mine, definitely was a code. So I'm going to go into the OBD here and erase the codes. And see, and there it goes, gone. So hopefully it will stay gone, because everything is seems like it's working. I've replaced the like I mentioned before, I replaced the rear, the vent solenoid, all right, EVAP solenoid, and now that's the purge solenoid in the front there. So I changed both right now, and if it comes back on, I'll have to search elsewhere. But for now, hopefully this will be the trick that works, and we'll see. All right. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give me a like, subscribe if you wish, and if you have any comments, please, down below, write them down. I appreciate it. If you have any ideas, if it does come back, what it could be, maybe one of you guys know out there, and we take it from there. Until then, take care of yourselves, and be good. Take care. Bye.